Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, share this video, and type a number that will pop up somewhere in this video. Type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 8,000 subscribers. Now let's get into this video. Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P. And I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $1,000 every day with these three apps. And this is passive income. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions. Any questions at all about this video. Now guys, please watch this video all the way to the very end because a magic number is going to pop up somewhere in this video. As soon as you see that number, type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chance of winning free money once I reach 8,000 subscribers. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to the first app and show you how you can make this money. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay guys, I'm at the first app. I'm at their website. Name of it is Ibotta. So this is a cashback app. So it says here, with Ibotta, you can get cash back every time you shop. We make it easy, fast, safe to save big. You just click right here to sign up. So what you're going to do is to sign up to access special offers. So you're going to get exclusive cashback offers across the web from your favorite marketplaces and brands. Shop and click to activate offers. So log on your browser and select your top realtor and brand offers. Don't forget to activate before you shop. Then you're going to withdraw earnings your way. So link a bank account and withdraw earnings from wherever you logged into Ibotta. It's easy money, guys. Easy money. Now you're going to get up to 30% cash back at thousands of top retailers. So like Home Depot, Best Buy, Hotels.com, eBay, Priceline, Walmart, and much more. Now guys, you can also get $5 when you spend $15. Now you can get more from Ibotta. So all you have to do, guys, is download the free Ibotta browser extension by clicking Add to Chrome from your desktop. Then you're going to compare prices and get the best deal every time you shop. And when you on mobile, using the mobile app, you can shop at your favorite national retailers and local hotspots to get cash back on stuff you buy every day with the Ibotta app. So guys, that's all I'm going to say about this. All we're really going to be doing is every time you shop, you're going to get cash back. That's passive income right there, guys. So to get started, go ahead and go to Ibotta.com, sign up, or you can just go ahead and download the app. Now, I'm going to app number 2. Okay, I'm at app number 2. Name of it is Fetch Rewards. So you're going to get rewarded in a snap. So scan now and download their free app. So you can get it from the Apple Store or the Google Play Store. So what you're going to be doing, guys, is earn points on any receipt from any store or restaurant. You're going to redeem those points for gift cards and other rewards. So dive into even more points. So redeem special offers. You can refer friends, buy popular brands, and submit e-receipts. So you can join clubs to get more. Enjoy extra points, exclusive special offers, and more perks from popular brands right in the app. And this has been talked about in the Wall Street Journal, Forbes, Business Insider, Lifehacker, BuzzFeed, People, and many other publications. Now, it has over 1 million 5-star reviews. So as you can see here, some of the reviews, this person right here said, super easy and makes shopping a bit more fun. And here are the brands right here. As you can see, Hoodies, Pull-Ups, Kleenex, a lot of different brands, guys. It's hundreds of them. So that's it, guys. That's all I'm going to say about this app right here. So go ahead and go to fetchrewards.com and sign up, or you can just download the app from the App Store. Now let me go to the third and final app. Okay, guys, I'm at the third and final app. I'm in the Google Play Store. Name of it is Nelson Mobile App. Here's some screenshots right here. And let's go ahead and read about this app. So the Nelson Mobile App is your opportunity to be part of the research we do here at Nelson. Your participation helps us understand how consumers use the internet and their mobile devices by studying the types of websites and apps people like to use. So all you're going to do, guys, is download this app, and they're just going to monitor what apps you use and websites you use, and you get paid for it. It's very, very simple, guys. And they do not mess with your information on the phone or anything. Very, very secure, guys. Now, let me go ahead and look at the rating. So out of 5 stars, it's 3.3. Now, don't get discouraged about that. 3.3. It's still a good app, guys. It's still a good app. So that's it, guys. If you want to read the reviews, just come here and read the reviews for yourself. But to download this app, go ahead and go to Google Play Store and look for Nelson Mobile App. Okay, family, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, please hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 20 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions. Any questions at all about any of these apps. And please share this video all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become financially free. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Alright, guys, thank you, really appreciate it. Please hit that like button, share this video, help this channel get to 8,000 subscribers, because I'm going to give away that free money. Alright, on that note, get your grind on, because our grind is real. Please go check out these other videos until my next one come out. Peace, and always have a prosperous day.